All right. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to week 27. So, what I have for you guys this week are four parts. You got your axle peg, your linkage arm, linkage peg, and cow catcher. Now, the one that I think is going to be the hardest for you will be part 9, the cow catcher. It has angles, it's got insets, it's got extrusions, it's got shelling that you can do. So I deem then part 9 as the hardest one that you are going to have to work on. So I will be going over parts of this one um, at some point for you. You can see that it's hollow on the inside, but it's hollow on the inside, which means there's a hole in the bottom. But you can see that the faces and the top are all solid, but on the sides and the front of the cow catcher there are some inset pieces. And then here is a bottom view, I guess you could say. This is the back, so it's actually rotated, but it's fine. Um, so I'm gonna be going over that one. That one's gonna be your hardest one. The axle peg I think will be pretty easy. It's just like a peg. Ignore these lines. These are screw or thread lines. We're not doing threads, so you don't have to worry about that. And this hex socket HD 30 seconds across the flats. Basically, that means when you measure flat edge to flat edge, it's 30 seconds across that, and then it's 0.111 deep. So obviously you might have some questions on that, and that's fine. Linkage arm, not too complicated. Simple shape for that one. And then our linkage peg. Now, I want you guys to work on these. Next week, what's going to happen is we're going to work on the assembly. But also next week, I don't think the assembly is going to take us all week. So if there are pieces and parts that you're unsure of or have not completed, next week will be your time to catch up and get ready for that. So I will help demonstrate part of the assembly on either Thursday or Friday, and then you can finish your assembly over the weekend, and that'll give you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to focus on any of the parts that you haven't finished. How I recommend you do this is you just, if you want and you think you're overwhelmed, assign one part to each day. There are 4 parts for this week, but you have 7 days in which to complete them. So pick a day. You could literally do every other. You could do Monday, space Tuesday, Wednesday, space Thursday, Friday, space Saturday, finish it Sunday, turn it in, and be done. That's what I recommend for you, but again, it's up to you to choose how you want to finish it. Obviously, if you have questions, please feel free to ask me. Please do not wait until Sunday. If you're in class, ask them. If you're on Zoom, ask them. If you wait till Sunday, I cannot help you. But if you have questions, please ask me. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in class or on Zoom, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.